Hey guys, welcome back to Arsenic Clan. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a game screen like mine. See, this is so cool. When you hover over these buttons, so they have this enlarge effect, this one, this effect here. So this effect, and every button has the enlarge effect. Then if you press on start, the game starts. And then if you press on a website, here are the website and the page for the website, and you can see the cross also has this enlarge effect. And controls, easiest controls, you can have any controls according to your game. So easiest controls, so let's close this. So let's close the controls. So before starting the video, I'm going to tell you that please like, share and subscribe. And if you subscribe in 4 seconds, you will have great luck. So I will do a countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1. If you didn't, you're lucky. So let's start with the video. Okay guys, so as you can see here, the default scratch screen, the sprite 1 is always like the sprite cat. So you want to delete this, and then you want to go to stage and then in backdrops. Okay, when you can see here backdrop, default backdrop, minimize it a bit, and then fill should be like the brightness should be 0, so everything will be black. Drag it like a shape. So the background is black, like the backdrop. So now you will choose a site, not search, not surprise, not upload, but paint. Yep, paint. So what you need to do is that first you want to take a box like this. Outline and so this should be on this. 1 second. So this should be on this, and fill should be like no fill, and do it like 1 second. Yep, this is fine. And brightness 4, then select yellow color. Like this, yellow, and brighten 4. Okay, so as you can see here, drag it. So as you can see here that I have done this, and a really important thing is that you need to fill this shape, the sprite, with black color, because you'll see why. So if you don't fill it, the computer will think that this is just a line and it doesn't need to enlarge it. So you should have to fill the black color, and it will blend with the black background. So now you need to add the text. I choose handwriting. You can choose any font you like. So let's do play first. See, it's play, and fill should be this. So fill should be brightness 100, saturation 100, and color should be 16. Okay, so now the size, 1 second. So you can enlarge this a bit, and this. So align it in the center. So this is looking good. So you need to make 3 sprites like this, not 3 more. In total 3, so 2 more. So you can just duplicate. Don't worry about this, we will get to the main stage. So play button is done. So next, if you want controls, you can do controls. Just do controls. And if you're worrying that this is too big, so you can just always reduce this time. Oh, this is controls. Okay, one second. Controls. Now it's fine. Okay. You can increase the size so that the font looks big and good. Okay. And now the last one can be a website or options or something more. I will do a website. Yeah. Website. Same thing, too big. Reduce the size. Yep. This is good. Yeah, this looks good. So next thing what you want to do is you have to do the thing where the main code for the enlarging. See, nothing enlarges. So first you need to align some things. So controls can be maybe at the bottom. First you need to see the perfect alignment. Okay. Okay. So you can align this also by reducing the size. I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna reduce its size. This reduce this. Yep, now they are aligned. So the thickness, everything is perfectly aligned now. So now go here. Let me align these a little bit more. Yep. Okay. So I will align these, and now we will make some changes like some writing and some things in the background. Okay. We will write this. Okay. You can also write made by or something like that. Okay, everybody. We are done with the painting and we are done with the art. So now let's move to the code. Okay guys, so as you can see here, we have made our main enlarge code. See, the enlarge effect comes from this code. So this is everything. This is the master of everything. So this code is the main code, not the master for everything, but the master behind the enlarge effect. So what I did was that I right click this and then Control plus C and copy paste it on all of these single sprites. Yeah, so as you can see here that this is the cool effect I've been talking about. So now you must be wondering, okay, but if I click on these, it doesn't go anywhere or redirect us to anywhere. So that will be in the second part, how it will redirect and to what it will redirect, the full game tutorial. So if you guys like this video, so please hit that like button, please share and subscribe and comment down below which games or tutorial should I do next. Thank you for watching. Peace out.